Good afternoon. So the point is magnetic field and field lines. So what is magnetic field? The region around a magnet where the force of attraction or repulsion can be detected is called as magnetic field. The region around a magnet where force of attraction or repulsion can be detected is called as magnetic field. So a magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using a magnetic compass. A magnetic field around the magnet can be detected by using a magnetic compass. So magnetic field is a vector field which describes the magnetic influence on a moving electric charge, electric current and the magnetic materials. A moving charge in magnetic field experiences a force perpendicular to its own velocity and to the magnetic field, and a permanent magnetic field pulls on ferromagnetic materials such as iron and it attract or repel other magnet. So in addition, a magnetic field which varies with location will exert a force on a range of non-magnetic material by affecting the motion of their outer atomic electron. Magnetic fields surround a magnetized material and are created by a electric current such as those used in the electromagnet and by electric field varying in time. Since both the strength and direction of magnetic field may vary with location, it is described by the function which is assigning a vector to each point of space, which is called a vector field. So in electromagnetic, the term magnetic field is used for two distinct but closely related vector field, and it is denoted by the symbols B and H. Magnetic fields are produced by moving electric charges and intrinsic magnetic moment of elementary particles associated with a fundamental quantum property, their spin. The magnetic field and electric fields are interrelated and are both components of the electromagnetic force, one of the four fundamental forces of nature. Magnetic fields are used throughout a modern technology particularly in electrical engineering and electromechanics. So rotating magnetic field are used in both electric motor and generator, and the interaction of a magnetic field in the electric device such as a transformer is conceptualized and investigated as a magnetic circuit. So magnetic force give information about the change carriers in a material through the Hall effect, and the earth produces its own magnetic field which shades the earth's ozone layer from the solar wind, and it is important in navigation using a compass. The force on electric charge depends on its location. The two vector field are used to describe the force. So the first is the electric field, which describe the forces acting on a stationary change, and it gives the component of the force that is dependent on the motion. The first is the electric field, which describes the force acting on stationary charge, and it gives a component of the force which is independent of motion. Now the magnetic field in contrast describes the component of the force that is proportional to both the speed and direction of charged particles. So the field is defined by a Lorentz force law, and it is of and at each instant it is perpendicular to the both motion of the charge and force it experiences. Now magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines are the paths Magnetic field lines are the path around a magnet along which the north pole of the magnetic compass needle tends to move. And the magnetic field lines around a magnet can be observed by a sprinkling iron filings around a magnet. The magnetic field lines around the magnet can be observed by sprinkling iron filling around a magnet, and it can also be observed by moving a magnetic compass around a magnet. Mm, The magnetic field is an entity which describes the influence of magnetic force in a region, and magnetic field lines are a visual tool which is used to represent the magnetic field. It describes the direction of the magnetic force on a north monopole at any given position. It is useful analogy which is close connection between the magnetic monopole and electric charge. So the use of this use of field lines is an alternative way to represent the information contained within a magnetic vector field. The magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. The magnetic field lines are visual tool which is used to represent the magnetic field, and it describes the direction of magnetic force on a north monopole at any given direction. The magnetic field lines describe the direction of magnetic force on earth monopole at any given position. So the density of line indicate the magnitude of the field. Taking an instance, the magnetic field is stronger and crowded near the poles of magnet. So as we move away from the poles, it is weak and the lines become less dense. Now, what are the properties of magnetic lines? The first property is magnetic field lines never cross each other. Second, the density of the field line indicate the strength of the field. Third property, the magnetic field lines always make a closed loop. And fourth property, the magnetic field lines always emerge or start from the north pole and terminate at the south pole. So, how does magnetic field originate? The magnetic field arises when a charge is in motion, and there are two basic ways through which we can arrange for a charge to be in motion and it generate a useful magnetic field. Next point is magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. So, if a magnetic compass is placed near a conductor carrying current, then the needle is deflected, and this shows that the conductor carrying current has a magnetic field around it. If the direction of the current is from north to south, then the deflection of the magnetic needle is towards the east. And if the direction of the current is from south to north, then the deflection of the needle is towards the west. So the magnetic field around a current carrying straight conductor is in concentric circle. It can be observed by passing a current carrying straight conductor through a cardboard and sprinkling iron fillings on it. So Ampere suggested that a magnetic field is produced whenever an electrical charge is in motion. For our understanding, we consider a wire through which the current is made to flow by connecting it to the battery. So as the current through the conductor increases, magnetic field increases proportionally. When we move further away from the wire, the magnetic field decreases with the distance, and it is described by using Ampere's law. So according to the law, the magnetic field at distance r from a long current carrying conductor I is given by the equation B is equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi r. So, what is mu 0? It is a special constant which is known as permeability of free space, and we already know the value of mu 0. Value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. So, the materials with high permeability possess the ability to concentrate on magnetic field, and the magnetic field has a direction as it is a vector quantity. So for conventional current flowing through a straight wire, this can be founded by a right hand rule. Now we will see what is right hand rule. So to use this rule, imagine that a gripping to use this rule, we have to imagine that gripping our right hand around the wire with your thumb pointing the direction of current, which is shown in the in this diagram. We have to imagine that we are gripping a right hand around the wire with a thumb pointing in the direction of the current, and the fingers show the direction of the magnetic field which wraps around the wire. So, what is the right hand rule? The direction of the magnetic what is right hand rule? The direction of magnetic field around a conductor is given by right hand thumb rule. So this right hand thumb rule states that if current carrying conductor is held in the right hand such that thumb points the direction of current, then the finger wrapped around the conductor shows the direction of magnetic field. So this diagram shows the image for the right hand rule. Thank you.